Everyone, Frederick here at Simple System Trading. Got a question from someone. Can I use buttons to use the AT for entries? The quick answer is yes, and this video will show you how to do that. We have a support study inside the AT bundle, which is the manual signal study. There is one per click, which basically means intrabar. So you click it and there will be one signal. You also have the option to do at bar close, which is a persistent signal on the bar. You can click it to have that signal. You can cancel the signal. We'll go for the intra-bar version here. We'll add this to the control bar. We have button number 2 and 3 here, which will be on top. With that, they will load. And the chart here will listen to a buy or a sell click. If you have never added control bar buttons, you can do that by global settings, customize control bar. Probably you have control bar 1 here. There's a few you can add. And what you need to do is go to advanced custom study buttons here. And then add these button numbers. Every button has a reference number. You can see I've added the buttons already, right? So button number 4, 5, 6 are still empty. 2 and 3 just has been assigned. But you can add as many buttons as you wish, and that's the way you add buttons to your control bar. Fairly simple. With the manual signal study, we basically have a signal study where the AT can listen to. So instead of configuring your alert conditions, to generate a signal, you can use the manual to quickly test a few things on the AT. So now we can load up the AT. What I'll do here quickly is reference the manual signal study with the signal subgraph, so we can listen to intra-bar signals, which will be executed. In this case, the rest is default. We have a limit order, will be pushed out with a fixed target and stop. I'm going to add more entries here for the demo purposes. So we'll have 10 intra-bar entries. The rest I keep default. So we can go through this demo here. So if you turn it on, we are in a replay here. You can quickly just click the buy button, have that limit order there on the open of that bar, right? And you can move it around, you can move everything around. And once you get filled, it will follow the management settings in the AT. So real quick, this is just how the AT can work for you with a entry like this, right? So right now we're going to flatten this. Okay, so that's real quick setting up a buy and a sell button. And right now with this you can test your entry options for a signal. You can use different targets, multiple targets if you want. Any of the management add-ons you want to use. You can test it out real quick without needing to wait for that signal to fire. So it's a real quick way to mimic a signal and test the SST AT. Alright, that's it for this video. Real quick, setting up a manual signal button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.